Hey, me again. So right now I am meal prepping for the week, my little flat energy bars to replace my chewy granola bars that I used to eat. So I started out with 8 tablespoons of peanut butter, or that's a half a cup, however you want to measure it. Now I need a 1/4 cup of honey. I'm using dark organic honey. And so it's a 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons. So I'm putting it in here. 1, 2, oh, it's a little gooey. 3, and then 4. I'm gonna scoop it out. Oh, now it's all over my fingers. All right, so that's good. Love honey. Well, actually, I have a little bit of a cough, so the honey's good for my throat. I don't want to waste it. Okay, I'm back. So now you have to take this and you have to put it into the microwave just to get it a little bit more pliable. Sorry, I love licking my fingers. So I put that in there for 20 seconds, and now that'll get soft. This way I can mush it all together. Blend it because we've got to put a bunch of other ingredients in it. I love these. Last week I made them, or 2 weeks ago I made them for the first time. And I made a little bit of a mistake with them. I made them like thick, like little hamburgers. Problem with that was that it was really thick and dry. So what I learned is that once it gets a little bit room temperature, to smush them out, soften them, and they're much better that way. Okay. Oh no. I'm still here. I'm looking for my spoon to spread these with. Okay, so here we go. So it calls for 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So the reason why I'm making them with you this time instead of showing you the photos like I did last time is I want you to see how quick and easy it is if you have everything at your disposal. Last time I just showed you little bits and clips of it and photos, and you didn't really have a time frame. But now once you get yourself a little organized, I'm putting the coconut in now, you'll be able to, I'm going to add a little bit more coconut because I like coconut. You'll be able to move a little bit quicker after you make them for the first time. So now we need extract. And for the extract, instead of putting in the vanilla that it calls for, I like mint. So I'm going to put mint in here. Okay, so now we just did that. And the last but not least is the oats, and I left them in the other room, so I'll be right back. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back. So the oats is a 1/2 cup of oats. So I can't find my 1/2 cup scoop, so I am using my 1/4 cup. So 2 of them. So I've got the peanut butter, the honey, the extract, the chia seeds, the coconut, and my Shakeology. Now it calls for vanilla, but I like things chocolate, so I am putting in a 1/2 cup of chocolate Shakeology into here. All right. And that's it. That's all your ingredients. Nice and simple, right? Now you just mix it all together. Nice and simple. And then it depends on, you know, how accurate you want to be in your portions and your calorie count. I have a scale that I use, and I'll get the weight of all of this together, and then I will divide it into, that makes 8 servings it calls for. So let's say it's 100 grams. I'll divide it into 8 and I'll figure out how many grams per little ball I need to make. And the reason why I do that is because I want to keep myself accountable. I just don't want to eat random amounts, because if you're trying to lose weight or if you're trying to maintain your weight, it's important to keep on knowing, you know, where you're at. Hold on one second, my son's here. Yes, James?
Can I piece of candy?
No. Okay. So I need to mix it a little bit better. So my hands are gonna have to get in here and get a little dirty, even though I really just don't want them to. When Mommy's done, you can have a snack. So right now I'm just mixing up the peanut butter. Now I myself I'm on maintenance. I've hit my goal weight, so I'm not looking to lose any more weight. So I just am trying to eat healthier and cleaner, and the reason why I'm doing that, you're probably wondering, well, if you don't want to lose any weight, what is the purpose of, you know, watching what you eat? Well, the purpose of watching what I'm eating is, one, so I don't gain my weight back, because, you know, I've lost 45 pounds. I don't want to put that back on, and it can come on very, very quickly. Two, the second thing, the reason why I do things like this is because I want to have a healthier body now. When I lost my weight, I wasn't as conscious of what I was eating. I really just watched mostly my calories. But now I'm paying more attention to the things that I'm eating, because I want to be healthier, number one, and I want to tighten and tone things up. While I'm lean, I could be a little smaller, in the sense, not on the scale, but I could be a little bit tighter. I could get rid of some of this little jiggle and stuff that's there. Okay, so this is my scale.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to turn it on. Hold on. I'm going to put this paper plate on here, zero out my plate, my scale, so it weighs, so it gets back down to 0, and then I'm going to, my son says watch the magic. I'm going to take all this out, scoop it on here,
and then look what it does.
I'm going to weigh it, and let's see. So,
Whoa.
Hold on a second. It is 502 grams. So if I divide that, who has a calculator? Let's see, 502 divided by 9 and 9, let's say, if I want to make 9 of these, would give me I would have to make them about 90 grams each. So that'll be that. But if I wanted to do 8, what, honey?
Now I have to make my Pokemon ball all over
Hold on,
again,
I'm sorry.
and my cow face again.
Go give Mommy a calculator. I'm sorry.
Because of Michael. Someone said
I'm sorry, hold on a second.
Someone said James's build's on file. And then
So it's going to be about 61 grams each that I have to make these balls. So it all depends on how accurate your scoop is. So I'm sorry about that my kids walked in here. I got a little bit distracted. So now I will take these and I'll put it back in here. And now I'll zero my scale back out. And I will measure it and make each little ball weigh 61 grams. I'm measuring right now. All right. There we go. So let me show you. Can you see? Here's my scale, and it says 61 grams. So I'll take this off of here, make a little patty, looks like a hamburger, and then I'll put it in its own Ziploc baggie, and I'll have 8 of them, and I'll eat them for snacks, little energy. I'll put them in my purse in the morning, and I'll take maybe one to the gym. Like I said, they taste better. Oh, store them in the refrigerator. They taste better when they're a little bit warmer and they're a little bit flatter. So you have to play around with the recipe and decide what you like. All right, well, I hope this helped you. I hope this was a nice little tip. Message me if you would like the recipe for this. If you have any tips, if you have any questions for me, feel free to message me anytime. Okay, bye. Have a great day.